Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, we will see how to download and install the Anaconda distribution for Windows OS. Anaconda is one of the most popular software used in the field of data science and machine learning, and we are going to use it very often in this series. So here we are on our browser on the Google search homepage. We can simply search for the term Anaconda. In the results, we can see that it has found the link to Anaconda platform. Let's visit this website. Now we are at the homepage of Anaconda platform website. In the products drop-down, you will notice that a number of editions are available. Out of all the editions, the individual edition is open source, as you can see. So let's select this individual edition. As you can see, it is a complete toolkit for data science and have over 20 million users worldwide. As mentioned earlier also, it is open source and most popular Python distribution. Its repository has over 7,500 data science and machine learning packages, and the environment management is very convenient. Let's click on download and it will take us to the download section. Here we can see that the software is available for Windows OS, Mac OS as well as Linux based OS, which is a great thing. Since we are running on 64-bit Windows OS, we will select the Python 3 installer for the same. Kindly note, if you are watching this at some point in the future, there may be new release of Python, maybe Python 3.8 or so on. But the installation process will hopefully be similar in that case also. Anaconda updates the outlook of their website from time to time. So if in your case, the outlook seems to be different, just try to find the individual edition and then the download section and you will be good to go. So I will save the installer in my downloads folder. It may take some time depending upon the internet connection. Let's proceed further and run the downloaded installer. Just follow the steps along. We will install it for the current user only. You can change the installation directory, but we are going to go with the default directory. Upon clicking next, it might show a warning or not based on your user folder name. We will ignore this warning and proceed further. In the advanced option, the installer recommends not to add Anaconda to path variable. But we recommend that you add it to your path, especially if you do not have any prior installation related to Python or Anaconda. Doing this will enable us to call the Python interpreter and other features directly from the command prompt, irrespective of the directory you are in. Let's click on install and rest of the installation should go on smoothly. In case of any issue, drop a query and we'll be happy to help. The installation will take a few minutes. So the installation is complete. Let's click next. Since we do not want to go through the Anaconda tutorial as of now, we will uncheck it and finish. You may go through the Anaconda official tutorial if you are interested. That's all in this session. In the next session, we are going to dive into Anaconda